Join me guys again, SWC Francis Casey. All this but good song. As I read this letter, my heart's beating much too fast for my beat. Soon I'll be in your arms again.
To think I'll be with you, to taste all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for.
But most of all, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart.
It's been so long since I've heard the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Why ever did we part? I wish you would. Those thoughts I've been storing up my mind. When I get home, what will I find?
Well, you still remember, and well, your love you take the round is wrong. I've been away from you so long.
So when I home, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart.
It's been so long since hear the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Whatever did we part? My love, whatever did we part? Thank you guys for joining. God bless.